It has arrived. The rewards in Shibaswap has finally arrived into your portfolio. Check out your Shibaswap right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. We have rewards has finally entered Shibaswap. But before I get into that, I definitely want to let you know about Webull. Shiba is going to Webull very soon, and now they're into the next level in their staging process. So you definitely want to click on the link below. Go ahead and sign up and get those stocks and get those 2 free stocks. Why not? For a low cost. And then you'll be one of the first in line to get Shiba on Webull. This is coming, and this is seriously, and I believe this will be really good for the Shibaswap ecosystem. So let's go back to rewards right now. I'm checking my bone rewards, and look at this right here, 12.7. Oh man, 12.7 combined of awards. Now this is actually accumulated from other weeks in the past. So basically this 12 is not just in 1 week or 2 weeks. This is probably like 3 or 4 weeks, to be honest with you. So bones, and I just got the 5,000 bone into my account. So I'm interested to see what happens in future weeks and how much bone would I get with 5,000 bones buried. So let me go to my Shiba. My Shiba, I have 1 billion bones, or 1 billion Shiba being buried. And my reward's not as high as I would like them to be, but my plan is to continue to accumulate and let that grow as well. So that is my plan. I'm so excited about that. I don't think this would be worth wolfing this out because of the fees, and it's just not enough to be able to do that. Because think about it, bone is at 146, and it's also 3 bones. So think about it. If I bring out my dusty calculator, bust out my dusty calculator, 146, and then I'm timing that by 3. It's only is that $4? Yeah. It's only $4.38 that is worth the bones at this particular time. The fees will be much worth it. Will be over that, in matter of fact. And you also have Rapid Ethereum. It's still growing very, very slowly. So check your accounts. Make sure you have your rewards in there as well. And then we have Leash. Leash is doing well. I'm actually happy with this 5.5. I'm letting this kind of just simmer up a little bit in terms of rewards. I just got up to back to 5 leashes. So probably the next rewards, I should be getting a little bit more bones than the 5 that you see here. So I'm just letting this accumulate. I'm accumulating right now, because if you look at the market right now, that's 𝐂-𝐶oin, which 𝐂-𝐶oin is doing so well, guys. 𝐂-𝐶oin is definitely a sleeper. If you look at the market right now for Shiba, Shiba's up just about a little bit, And the thing about it though, I think it's gonna go even higher once it gets on Webull and other exchanges. So if I go back to the Shibaswap real quick, I have this in this as well. So, and then let me check another area for rewards. Let's check out these pairings here. Now this is the first time. Now I just now added up this pairing here, and I'm getting rewards of the USDC. So it's not much really right now. Neither the DAI and USDT. None of these rewards are like a ton of rewards right now, but I'm happy to the fact I've got some rewards. I am motivated to accumulate more for I can earn more rewards. So I'm just getting ready for this whole process. I'm getting ready for Webull. I can't talk enough about this, guys. About Webull getting getting Shiba on Webull. I cannot talk more about this because I think it's really good for the Shibaswap ecosystem. It's going to bring more users in terms of buying Shiba. And what's that going to do to Shibaswap? I do think that can affect the Shibaswap, because now all of a sudden people could now another place they can buy Shiba, and they can be able to buy it in Shibaswap as well. It's just more users, more accounts, more people getting into the Shibaswap ecosystem. So these rewards are not as high. They're not high, but I'm very, very grateful the fact that it's finally happening. Finally happening. So to me, what I'm going to focus on today is look at the market. It's up a little bit today. I may consider adding a little bit more bone. I think bone is at $1.46. So I'm excited about that. So check your back office. I hope you got your rewards in your account. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click on the link below to sign up for the Webull on your free 2 stocks. Here it is right here. Open up a Webull Brokers account up until the end of August and get a free stock value between $3 and $300 as well. All right, I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to click on the link below, get signed up for Webull, and definitely check your Shibaswap rewards. and I'll see you on the next video.